Dell Precision 7960. Category 4.1 DA. Offer, Dell. It has a 3-year Pro Support on-site warranty. This can be upgraded to 4 or 5 years. The system comes pre-installed with Windows 11 Pro. System dimensions. Height, 16.96 inches, width, 8.58 inches and depth, 21.19 inches. On the front, we have the power button, universal audio jack, 2 USB 3.2 Gen 1, 2 USB 3.2 Gen 2, Type-C ports. There's also an SD card slot. On the back, we have the power inlet, 1 audio line-out port, 2 PS2 for keyboard and mouse, 1 serial port, 2 RJ45 ports, 3 USB 3.2 Gen 1, and 3 USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C ports. We also have a Kensington security cable slot and a padlock ring. The system has an NVIDIA GeForce RTX A1000 with 8 gigs of GDDR6 and 4 mini DisplayPort outputs on the back. This can be upgraded to an RTX 2000 or an RTX Pro 4000, 5000, or 6000. It also comes with a 2-port, 10 gig Ethernet adapter card. To open the system, loosen the screw, push the latch to release the side cover, and lift it out. The system comes with an Intel Xeon W7 3545. This can be upgraded to an Intel Xeon W7 3565X. It has 64 gigs of RAM, DDR5, 4800 MHz. This can be upgraded to 128, 256, 512, or 1 TB. For internal storage, it has a 512 gig M.2 NVMe SSD. This can be upgraded to a 1 or 2 TB M.2 NVMe SSD. It has an Intel W790 chipset and a Trusted Platform Module version 2.0. Expansion slots. It has 8 full-height PCIe slots. The integrated Intel SATA controller supports up to 8 ports for disk drives or SSDs. There are 10 externally facing drive bays and up to 8 M.2 NVMe drives are supported. It comes with an internal speaker connected to a Realtek ALC 3246 audio controller. Power is supplied by a 1400-watt Platinum PSU.